Celtic warriors, we had soldiers, we had devils and angels, all here tonight, presenting unto you Sussex Bonfire at its very, very best. I ask you, ladies and gentlemen, as the collection buckets come past, stick them in your pockets, give generously. And tonight your generosity will benefit local and national charities.
that further away in the camera.
Charity collection of the night will go to benefit national local trust. Ladies and gentlemen, help artists to the benefit of the charity collection. Where your money is contributed to the top. You can rest assured that you're making this celebrate for the charities concerned and Fletching Bonfire Society does not take anything of its charity collection to be taken it up and close it over. Leading this magnificent procession into the fire field, the members of the Fletching Bonfire Society, proudly here tonight, presenting Sussex Bonfire at its very, very best. Thank you very much for your support here tonight, and we will see you on the 5th.
Any band,
thank you for the support from the Bonfire Society. We're having your traditional celebrations on the 5th of November.
Rather than having all down there, we run on.
Thanks again to the members of the Fletching Bonfire Society. Your display has been magnificent. Thank you for your support here tonight.
How far away is it from there?
I can hear them.
Very far.
We like Bonfire Boys. Again, ladies and gentlemen, fresh from their celebrations last week, the members of the Hastings Day Bonfire Society. Thank you again for your support here tonight. It's very much appreciated. Our thanks, of course, to the members of the St John's Ambulance Brigade for your support here tonight. It's very much appreciated. And again, magnificent music for the members of the Outfield Scout Band. Thank you very much, boys and girls, for your magnificent efforts here tonight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask the procession to stop here. But I have a very special announcement to make. Tonight, the winners of the best dress fitted in society are the members of the Rhine Cross Bonfire Society. Well done, everybody. And thanks again for your magnificent support here tonight. Well done, everybody. Magnificent display. Thank you for your support. It's very much appreciated.
Someone else the other side. Oh, you could go out the side now.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the 19th of November we will be at Barkham for traditional bonfire celebrations. And thank you tonight for your magnificent support. To the Rhine Bonfire Society. Society. Welcome everyone. Magnificent celebration. So thank you for your support here tonight. Very much appreciated. Well done all. Two great Sussex Bonfire banners. Cheney Bonfire Society, Linfield Bonfire Society. Lovely combination, but thank you all for supporting Fletching tonight. The magnificent Sandman! Thank you for your efforts here tonight. Again, on the 5th of November, traditional bonfire celebration in Fletching will be held by the members of the Bonfire Society. But thank you for your efforts here tonight. Your support has been appreciated. Last week, ladies and gentlemen, I was very pleased to play a small part in the celebrations held by the Procession Bonfire Society. We had a great evening. Your support here tonight is very much appreciated. Back on the 1st of October, Rotherfields lit the village apart with fire music and colour. Thank you to the members of the Rotherfield and Mark Cross Bonfire Society. Again, a great group, not attached to any village but true bonfire. Who the devil are we? Thank you for being here tonight. And tonight, again, I'm going to stop the procession. Ladies and gentlemen, the members of the Procession Bonfire Society have won second place as the best dressed village in society. Magnificent display, and thank you again for your support tonight. Well done to the members of the Procession Bonfire Society. Second place here tonight. Well done. Your support is very much appreciated.
Sorry?
That is not the best ever.
And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, no banner but here in support. The members of the Battle Bonfire Society. Thank you very much, a great show tonight. Your support is very much appreciated. And I believe I've forgotten you not to sing to the members of the Newark Bonfire Society. Thank you for being here tonight. Your support is appreciated. And again, ladies